Alright, so this is all new territory for us. We haven't walked this far before. I wasn't paying attention. My feet got soaked. Nothing like walking in wet socks. So the sun is setting. That's why you see a lot of these chairs set up. People love watching the sunset and then they get up and leave.
Okay.
I don't know. The sun is beautiful. I don't really care about sunsets. We're just chilling before it gets dark.
I actually like the sunrise better. I don't know. Like when you're on the East Coast,
Sure.
it's kind of like watching the sun run over the ocean. Because that's what we do. Cruise people on the East Coast.
A cruise would be nice. Me and Robert were talking, because we do that. We're thinking next New Year's,
Yeah.
we're going on a cruise.
I think I'm looking for a little more excitement.
Yeah, there wasn't really many New Year's Eve happening here in Sanibel. We saw they set off fireworks in Fort Myers, and we could kind of see the fireworks from our balcony. But on the other hand, we didn't really research too hard, because this was a last minute trip. But in St. Louis, everyone lights off fireworks.
Seems like, yeah.
So
it was actually quieter here, which
it was extreme. Was that a small pin shell? Oh, it's broken. It was extremely quiet. Which is not a bad thing. Just an observation. We're not like party people, but we don't mind a little party.
Yeah.
So, never done a cruise on New Year's, so that'll be interesting. So,
Yeah, home you can normally see fireworks.
So if anyone who's watching this, what's your favorite cruise line? What cruise line would you recommend besides Disney? We've done Disney like 7 times. We like Disney. We're looking for something different besides Disney.
Why do we love Disney?
Why do we love Disney?
Yes.
I don't know, because we drank the Kool-Aid.
Be honest, I mean.
Because I love Mickey Mouse? I don't know. What are you looking for? Oh, I like the Disney cruises, just the theming, the atmosphere, all the free stuff that they started taking away. That's a bummer. The food was good. I think
entertainment.
Entertainment. That's it. That's what I was looking for. Entertainment.
And they do segregate the adults from the non-adults when it comes to it.
Yeah. If you're see, we don't have kids, and so if you're thinking, if you're an adult without kids, believe it or not, you can take a Disney cruise, and you're not like, kids are there, but they're not bothersome because they keep the kids entertained. They have like 3 different levels of kids entertainment clubs. They sit you.
Somebody did a lobster.
Someone did do that's like, no, it's like a shark fin right there.
Oh, is that what it is?
It's a fish.
From my angle, it looks like
I kind of do see what you're saying about a lobster, but see, look, here's the tails, and there's the fish body.
Yeah.
No? Yes?
It is now a lobster.
Anyway, so being a cruise, if you're only party of 2, they'll sit you with strangers. And so the first couple cruises we did that, and we actually met one couple that was in Texas, and we still talked to them and exchanged Christmas cards, and that was great. But then a couple other times we didn't have the best experiences. So the last 4 cruises, we started asking just tables for me and him, and if they have enough space, they'll let it. So I enjoyed that more, because I don't always feel like, entertaining other people. But if you're a big group, you don't have to worry about that. But if you're a group of 2, you might get stuck with other people. But if you don't want that, when you board the ship the first time, just go to customer service and tell them you want a single table of pasta. Works out.
The food, I thought, the regular meals were okay. But what I really like is the special dining, Apollo.
Yeah,
brunch.
Apollo.
I like that. And I like Remy. Wasn't it Remy?
Yes.
I like that too.
So Disney has several restaurants that are adults only. That was cool. And then they have an adult only club. So, of course if you have kids, Disney's wonderful. But it's also wonderful food on it. So, we do meet some awesome people on the cruises. Oh, look at that. It's like a duo of paradise, the cockle and the fighting.
She wants the dog. Yeah, the dog necessarily like it.
Crab. Huge crab that has barnacles on him.
He had some big crabs.
Yes, he did. Oh, how many dead crabs. Oh, sea urchin. It's a dead sea urchin. Put him on top. Here, turn that cockle upside down. That top cockle right there. And then put him in there. Okay. Oh, it might make it. Jiminy Christmas. It might make it. Yes, it has actually probably more of a 2% chance of making it.
The island's pretty cool too.
Yes.
I mean,
The only bad thing about like Sanibel right now not being super hot is I'm 99% sure my shoes are not going to dry. See, here's a pin shell that's perfect. What is the chance that I can get it home that way? 2%. I brought Rubbermaid containers in case I found any delicates. No, now it answers our question. We don't need to walk this far tomorrow because all the good shell piles are behind us.
right.
But, yeah,
In a hidden cave, the pirate ship.
I would like to find a pirate ship full of gold coins.
And cats.
And no, then the cats would just. You want to rescue the cats that are on the pirate ship. I don't see cats being on a pirate ship. I don't
People will
know.
fund their ventures.
Oh, no, it's nothing. Seems to be a lot of people down here. Cat pirates.
Yeah.
You put an eye patch on a cat. That might be cute.
I'm sure that'll work.
That lasts about 2 seconds. But for 2 seconds, it would be cute. So, we have pet sitter, and I have a Roomba that I run every day, but I don't run it when I'm gone. And so the pet sitter like takes pictures of the cats, and Sunny keeps sitting by the Roomba because she's waiting for us to run it. We're not there to run it, so she's quite upset. She likes to watch the Roomba, but she won't get on the Roomba. I don't know about all those YouTube videos of cats riding Roombas because mine won't do that. But she knows the routine, and she's quite upset that it's the weekday and the Roomba's not running. Cats are like very time oriented. Cats can tell the time naturally. They can. They know exactly when it's breakfast. They know exactly when it's 6 o'clock for dinner. And if it's like 6:01 and Robert hasn't got their bowls out, they are bugging him. Okay, well, Ollie and Sunny know the time. Lots of seaweed. I'm just saying, cats have internal clocks. There's another pin shell. Can I get two? No, that's got a crack in it.